warriors of Mewar. When we speak of Mewar, the name of great warrior king Maharana Pratap naturally comes to our mind. His courage, determination, and spirit of self-resilience continue to inspire generations.
Earlier India was completely dependent on gamma resistance polypropylene, so now it is available with us. Next, the 17MA5 RCP reactor grade. So people need the clarified polypropylene, clear PP. We have to replace PET or polystyrene for the packaging application. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So basically, every packagers need their products should be seen from the outside. So, but it is easy to make the low MFI clarified polypropylene that is available in India. 12 MFI polypropylene is available in India. But when you produce the 70 MFI polypropylene, that can be possible to make using the peroxide that after the grease breaking process. That is also very easy. It does not take any challenge to making this. But when you use this particular grade for the packaging application or food packaging application, use of peroxide is not good or safe. So we produce this 70 MFI grade in the reactor by modification of certain hardware in the reactor system. So this 70 MFI reactor grade we produce the clear transparent polypropylene, and we have launched this grade a few months back.
Mr. Ghosh,
Yeah.
just a couple of minutes.
Yeah, I'll conclude my another 2 minutes. Yeah. So last part of my presentation, that is the circular polypropylene, which is a true circular polymer. If we talk about the circularity, we did a survey, not we did, the McKinsey did a survey where the survey was done between the consumer, regulator and defined as the brand owner. So across the globe, the survey says 85% people use, 85% consumer are ready to pay higher amount with the circular polymer, and 97% regulator they are taken the commitment for the circular polymer, and all the brand owners, 75% brand owners they have taken the oath for using the sustainable packaging commitment. So there are a lot of technology available for the circular system, be it mechanical, chemical or molecular recycling or biopolymer. I don't know which was good or which was bad. A lot of this debate is going on, but these are the way, any of the way we have to take, and we have to make the recycled technology. We have to adapt any of the recycled technology and produce the next generation polymer. In the circular polymer or the truly circular polymer, as per my knowledge, that is we have to bring back to our consumer product, to our polythene and polymer monomer level and polymerize it. So this is the chart where we use the reprocessed material, bring back to pyrolysis oil, finally we create the monomer and we produce the circular polymer. These are the areas where innovation can be taken place. Chemical upcycling, close to business route, and we are finding a circular grade for matching the virgin quality. That is another area where we can start innovation. In HMM, we truly do the recycling. We produce the virgin quality polyethylene and polypropylene using the circular mechanical recycling technology, where pyrolysis oil can be converted to the virgin quality food grade polyethylene and polypropylene. Cyclosure is our brand name for a chemical recycling product.